One of the tools that we use very commonly, and we've already started talking about this, but we haven't really given it a name yet, is called pseudocode. Pseudocode is when we use comments like this to represent simple pieces of our programs. And we've already started sort of the practice of algorithmic thinking, right? When we use comments to talk through the steps that we're going to do in our program, we're breaking it down into simpler pieces that we can then use, or we can then solve at a simple level. And then when we put that all back together, we have a complex program that we've written. So speaking in pseudocode allows us to sort of map out what we want to do, to take that problem and break it down into more simple pieces. But even something like this, I could say print out the numbers from 1 to 200. And maybe in my mind, that's still a rather complex problem. Maybe I'm like, I'm not exactly sure how to do that. But if you break that down into smaller pieces, maybe each line of that code is a smaller piece, then you can do it more easily. So when you're thinking about what's the algorithm for solving this problem, every time you see something that seems too complex to do in your head, you break it down into smaller pieces. And you keep doing that until the pieces are so simple that you're not really worried about what to do for the whole thing.